Hey class, good morning. Hope the power up test went well for you. Today's math test is cumulative test 4B. You don't have to put your name on this one unless you want to. The one that we really need your name on is the answer key. All your work should be shown on the workspaces and all the answers provided on the answer key. I'm going to be reading most of them to you. When we get to this back side, I'll give you some tips and some points, but then you're kind of on your own when it gets to the add-in and multiplication ones. But these word problems, I'd like to give you some help as well as to give you some labels for them. Elizabeth read 2 books. One book had 288 pages. The other had 306 pages. How many pages did Elizabeth read in all? So some plus some more. Remember to pause it if you need to. Number 2. There are 4 teams with 8 players on each team. How many players are there in all? Find the answer once by adding and once by multiplying. So if you want to do repeated addition, you'd have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And if you want to do multiplication, you have 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay? Don't forget we need labels for these. The first one should be labeled pages, and the second one should be labeled players. And I should have put that in box 2, sorry. Number 3. What is the sum of 290 and 319? 290 plus 319. Number 4. There are 523 students at Rio Vista School. If 283 students are girls, how many are boys? So you really have boys plus girls equals total. We don't know how many boys there are. We know there's 284 girls, and we know the total is 523. So if you have a missing add-in in an addition problem, you're going to subtract. Good, so flip this over and then subtract. Alright, number 5, you're supposed to show tally marks to show the number 7. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cross slash is 5, and then 6, 7. Alright, who's got more money here you compare? A person who owes me $3 or a person who has $3 in their pocket? So greater than, less than, or equal to. I'll give you a hint. It's not equal to. Negative 3 is not the same as 3. You're going to compare this one. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. No, I'm sorry, plus. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 compared to 4 times 6. So go ahead and add up this side. Go ahead and multiply this side. And then greater than, less than, or equal to. One of these lines is horizontal. Which one? Which way does horizontal go? It goes with the horizon. Horizon. Number 9 says, think of 2 odd numbers. Multiply them as a product, odd or even. And when you guys think of these, think of something easy. Okay, maybe 1 times 1, or maybe 3 times 1, or maybe 5 times 3. Something easy. And in all those cases, is the answer odd or even? Don't tell me the answer. Tell me if it's odd or even. Alright, I like to read the math test to you so we don't get you wrong because of reading errors. And then the rest I don't know if I can help you with. This one's multiplication. Show all of your work. Multiplication, don't forget your dollar sign and decimal point. Easy subtraction problem. Subtraction with dollars and decimals. Remember to line up the decimal points. Here you got a multi-number multiplication problems. You have 3 factors, so you're going to multiply twice. This is 24 divided by 6. This is 24 divided by 8. Feel free to put it in a box if you need to. This is 24 divided by 4. Feel free to put it in a box if you need to. Now you're going to find the missing numbers in all of these. And this one's pretty easy because they didn't put it next to the number. So what number times 10 equals 60? What number minus 36 equals 45? And 225 plus what number equals 419? Okay. Remember, missing addition, you're going to subtract. missing number in a subtraction problem. First, add. So we're going to add those to come up with our answer. All right, guys. Maybe easiest test we've taken all year. Rock it out. Check, double check, triple check, put your name on it. I got like 14 pieces of paper pinned to my bulletin board that don't have names on them from last week. Make sure you put your names on your papers. Good luck.